In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own PayPal Buy button. This Buy button can then be placed on your own personal website, and it makes it much easier for your customers to purchase products or pay for services. To get started, log into your PayPal account. Go to the Profile tab and select My Selling Tools, which will then bring up this page here. Look for Manage My Payment Buttons, and then click Update. On this My Saved Buttons page, you want to click on the Create New Button link. Under Step 1, go to this drop-down menu and select Buy Now. And over here, you insert the name of the item or service you're offering. For example's sake, I'm going to type in Wellness eBook. This field is for you to create your own optional unique item ID, which is handy if you're selling a wide variety of products. The item ID is completely up to you. For now, I will leave it blank. Down here, you need to state the price of your item, and be sure to also select the correct currency. This section here is for you to customize your button. You can choose to add a drop-down menu with a price or option. It will look something like this. You can even choose to have that same drop-down menu, but without the price. So the drop-down menu would only show options like small, large, and medium. You can even choose to add a text field, like this one. Seeing as we're using an ebook as an example here, I'm just going to leave all three of these options unchecked. When you click on this blue drop-down menu, you'll be given the option to customize the appearance of your PayPal button. If you want to use your own button image, you can do that by selecting this option down here. Or you can make edits to the default PayPal button, which look like this one here on the right. You can choose to reduce the size of the button by selecting this option, Use Smaller Button, which will look like this. Or you can use the default size button and either display or remove the credit card logos. Down here, select the country and language for your button. I'll select United States, English. You can also choose to change the button text from Buy Now to Pay Now, depending on the product or service which you are selling. Seeing as we're creating a buy button for an ebook, I'm going to leave it as Buy Now. Down here, you can also choose to input the price of shipping. However, since ours is a digital product, I'm going to leave this empty. You can also state the tax rate, if applicable. Once you've filled up all this info, scroll to the bottom and click on Step 2. Something really important which you should take note of is this Save button at PayPal Options. This will make it easier for you to create similar buttons in the future through PayPal. You can choose to track your inventory with PayPal to ensure that you don't oversell items which are out of stock. However, this isn't really necessary for digital products like ebooks and MP3 files. You can also check this box here to enable the tracking of your profits and losses. So if we tick this box here, you'll need to fill up your item ID and price one more time. I'm just going to untick this box for now. After that, click on the Step 3 bar at the bottom of the page. This is where you can customize your checkout pages. The first thing you can customize is whether you want to allow customers to change order quantities, allowing them to buy more than one item per transaction. You can also choose whether your customers can add special instructions in a message to you when they purchase through your PayPal button. Also, let PayPal know if you need your customer's shipping address. Again, our Wellness ebook is a digital product, so all we need is their email address, and we don't really need their shipping address. And down here, you can insert the page that your customers will be directed to in the event that they cancel their checkout. You can also specify which page your customers will be directed to once they have completed their checkout. Maybe you want to send them to a thank you page or a squeeze page even. Just make sure you tick these two boxes first and fill in the respective URLs. And once you're done with this, go ahead and hit Create button at the bottom of the page. On this page, you'll find your button's unique HTML code. What you need to do is just hit Select Code, right-click the highlighted text, and select Copy. All you have to do now is go onto your own personal web page and paste your button code into the HTML. Once you publish the changes, your button should work fine. But be sure to test it anyway to ensure it links to the PayPal payment page.